for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's KoolKard, and I'm here with another episode of All Cool Stuff. Yes, and I got that cool stuff. I got a 13,000 milliamp power bank from OLALA. It's the S100i. I know you've seen me with a couple other ones. I've had like 10,000 milliamps, but this one is 13,000, y'all. Big boy, big juice. We talking long days, walks in the park, running around, jogging, hanging out all night, and still got juice on your phone. And this has a built-in lightning cable for your iPhone. And if you have an Android, there is a USB port for a connection as well. It's a dual charger. Imagine that. All the juice in the world. You can charge your tablet, you can charge your phones. It's whatever you want, it's your world. You can get this right now on Amazon for $33.99. And I think there's like a little check box in there that you can get about $2 off, a little discount code, a little something special that OLALA will give you for purchasing their device. See, I'll run on over and check it out. I'm KoolKard. I'll check y'all out once again on the flip side. Y'all come back and check me out too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. You can hit the thumbs down if you don't. You know, it's all good. I'll see y'all next time, y'all. It's KoolKard. Peace.
Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.